I'm Liz Briggs, and I'm the Global Marketing Manager with DuPont Personal Protection.
My name is John Connors, and I've been with Team Rubicon for 12 years, and I'm currently the Director of Strategic Communications. Team Rubicon is a veteran-led, nonprofit humanitarian organization, and we help communities prepare for, respond to, and recover from natural disasters and crises. So understandably, disaster zones are very dangerous, and it's imperative that we protect our volunteers at all costs. We don't want to send them into somewhere that's going to put them at risk. And one of the risks that we face endlessly are contaminants in the area. You know, when people look at a disaster zone, when they look at a flood zone or a hurricane zone, they think, hey, we have to help these homeowners, but what they don't think about is that flood water, all that debris, is quite dangerous. There can be any number of pollutants in there. So our relationship with Tyvek for the past decade has been critical in ensuring that our volunteers are protected and that we help keep them safe.
We supply Team Rubicon with our Tyvek garments, both the standard Tyvek coveralls and the tape seam Tyvek coveralls. In some occasions where the hazards may be more liquid chemical in nature, we'll provide the Tychem coveralls. Our Tyvek coveralls provide a balance of durability, comfort, and protection. The gray shirts from Team Rubicon get into all kinds of hazardous situations. They're mucking out houses, they could be crawling through crawl spaces, and Tyvek coveralls help protect against the dirt, grime, particulates, whether hazardous or non-hazardous, and they're also durable, so they stand up against abrasion when they're rubbing up against some rough surfaces. So we've gotten to the point where Team Rubicon can contact DuPont. They've got the direct phone line to us when there's a disaster, whether it's one-day operation or a multiple-week operation. We've got their backs. We will supply them with the Tyvek coveralls that they need.
We have 180,000 volunteers in Team Rubicon currently. In the future, we're going to have 500,000 or 1 million more, and that's a lot of coveralls that we're going to need, and we know that we can count on DuPont Tyvek to supply that.
With Tyvek, we're striving to protect the protectors and protect them doing the tough jobs that they're doing every day, and the gray shirts that are out there working to help communities rebuild. And that's a really rewarding feeling and a great example of Forward Together.